Cookie. Come here, Cookie baby. What happened, Mama? ¿Qué pasó? What's the matter? What are you shaking for, huh? What's wrong? Is your foot stuck to the blanket? Did you pull the whole blanket out of your little house? Huh? What's the matter? Oh, here, Daddy. Crazy person. What's wrong, my sweet Cookie baby, huh? What's the matter? What's wrong? Look at me. Are you crying? Are you crying? Let's see what's going on in here. Ready? Ready? What'd you do? Let's keep trying. Give me your foot. Why do you lay down like this, huh? You want me to rub your belly? Oh, yes. Let's see what's going on over here. Aha! You're free, Cookie! You're free, you're free, you're free! You happy? Oh, my sweet baby, my sweet Cookie baby. My sweet baby. That's why you weren't jumping on the bed before? Oh.